Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I'm going to bring in this Promier LED lighting. It's a pretty little neat thing devices. I actually bought them because I have a lot of stuff underneath my desk I need to rewire, remove, and I don't have lighting. I always have to use my phone, extra cell phone, just to turn on the flashlight on the cell phone, go underneath, start looking around. Well, this actually is pretty neat. So I'm gonna actually open it up here. I bought these, they're very inexpensive now. They're like, you can buy these for $3 or $4, $5, but it's a lifesaver, man, some of these occasions. Say you're walking through a hallway and you know where the button's at, you just push them, they turn on. Now, these are not very powerful. They're only 80M lumens, all right? It's not made to light up a show or anything like that. It's just made for convenience, all right? That's all it is. You can put them under the desk. You don't have to change them all the time. It has 3 batteries. There are 3 AAA batteries on each one that you have to change. You could probably buy the rechargeable ones if you want and just keep continuing on. So let's go ahead and open these Lumen, these LED lights, and let's take a look at them. And of course, the package comes with package 3, but sometimes they come to 4 or 5, depends on the packages you have. Amazon has a pretty neat pack. They have a lot of combos with it that you could buy like almost like 6 or 7 at one time. So the package in the back, it's very simple. It's nothing big. They pop out as it is, and this actually fits my hand right here. You can actually see it. So you guys seen these already, and like I said, the AAA batteries are in the back. They're all lined up together, and they're not lined up parallel to each other. They're all like, slanted each one so it could fit in. Now, the neat part about it, when you actually purchase it, they have a little tape right here. It's double-sided tape right here. You can actually paste it and have it in a moment's time to put it underneath the table. And of course, the twisting is very simple. It locks in. There's a little lock mechanism, so the twisting it's there. So when you find, it's like a puzzle piece. You actually find the corners, you twist it, and it won't come off. It won't come off, but as soon as you twist it a little, it comes off when you have to rechange the batteries or they break down. You have to replace them. Now, the good thing about it is, like, you click on it and it's there. 80 lumens. Like I said, it's only for convenience. It's not to light up anything. Of course, if you have a helmet, you actually put this on your helmet and you make your own LED lights. If you want, if you're a biker, this is perfect. You have a helmet, you want to put it on your helmets. You can put 1 here, 2, 3, 4. You can have it all lighting up so you won't get run over. You can have one on yourself. You could put this on your dog. It's real nice and neat. It's pretty bright. So let's see the rest of them. The rest of them, there's nothing fancy about them. They're all the same, but what they give you the package of 3. That's what I like about them. So when you put them all together, they make pretty powerful lights. I mean, I am lighting up here too much that I'm not going to be able to demonstrate the light because of the studio lights I have, but 80 lumens is not a lot, like I said, and it's something very unique, very neat to have. So I'm gonna put them all here so you guys can see them. It's real neat. Like I said, every single one, you can push the button, and they have double-sided tape, which is really neat. Like I said, underneath your speakers, underneath your desk, you're gonna walk your dog, you're gonna put it on your helmet. You're walking, you're running at night, jogging at night. That's not bad. It's something that you could have just for any occasion. You're running out of light or something happened, you lose lights right away. You have these in your drawer, you pop them out, you put them in, they light up. 80 lumens is a lot if you have a complete dark room. But yeah, lights here, like, not too much of a brightness. You can't use this for studio lights, but unless you put 2 or 3, of course, putting together. There's your studio lights right there. That's pretty bright as it is, So it's one of those things that I like about these Promiers. It's one of those great things that you actually just push the button and ready to go. I buy these a lot. I actually have them all over my house. So I even have one underneath the bed. I don't really go underneath the bed that much, but those occasions you drop something, I have it there. I push the button, it's there. I had it already for almost 2 years already. Haven't changed the batteries yet because I haven't used it for a while. I checked on it the other day. It was running okay. Nothing happened to it. These are not waterproof, just to let you know. They're not weatherproof, so they tend to break down easily. They're very fancy, of course, and then for the price you're paying, $5 or $6 for them, it's well worth it. I mean, I pretty much like them. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED lights in there, real tiny LED lights that you could actually see some of them. And of course, they have different models. Of course, like I said, they have motion detecting models. They have light sensitivity models, they turn on automatically, turn off. Some are even wire if you want, and some people have modified these to do certain things. They use them for more than just push of a button. They use them for other things. I mean, it could be a sensor, it could be something that you could walk at night, or somebody like a trap or something. You be the judge of it. You have an imagination. But these are great little features I just purchased. Real awesome little things. I'm putting them on underneath all my desks, of course. They're very convenient. So if you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we'll see you next time.